Are volcanoes one of your first thoughts upon imagining Costa Rica? For the ultimate thrill, allow me to suggest seeing at least one of the top 4 during your visit. Located in Alajuela, the Poas Volcano, which its main crater has a beautiful green-blue lagoon in the middle, and the hiking trails take you through the beautiful native flora and fauna. It is very active right now, so visitation is limited. Located close to San Jose, you have the Arasu, Costa Rica's highest volcano. Known for its astonishing blue lake, seated in one of its craters, and stunning views as you go up, which contrasts with the sandy, arid, almost lunar landscape at the top. Located in the northern zone, and currently in a resting phase, the Arenal Volcano has a perfect cone shape. The area offers exciting adventures and relaxing activities, such as soaking in one of the numerous hot spring sites and enjoying water activities at the lake. Last but not least, the Rincón de la Vieja volcano, with its slopes both on the Pacific and Caribbean watersheds, will show you the incredible natural scenery of its wild area as it leads you to a series of volcanic hot springs, bubbling mud pools, dramatic waterfalls, and pristine rainforests. Come and fall in love with these amazing 4 volcanoes protected as national parks. Costa Rica awaits for you.